So cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this we are going to prove. For this purpose, we are going to take the circular coordinate system of the unit circle. So unit circle, if you are taking into consider, okay, so the coordinates of the points here, this point is equals to 1 comma 0, and here the point is minus 1 comma 0, and this point is 0 comma 1, and this point is 0 comma, yes, tell me what is this point?
0 comma minus 1.
0 comma minus 1. And here if a ray makes an angle of x if your array makes an angle of x radians with the x-axis, x radians with the x-axis, then the coordinates of the point, this point if you consider as a comma b, then a represents, as per the definition of the trigonometric function sine and cos, x coordinate represents as a
Cos x.
yeah, very good. X coordinate represents as a cos x, and y coordinate represents as a
Sin x.
yeah. So that is nothing but these coordinates of the point a comma b. The coordinates of the point a comma b are cos x, sin x. These are okay, because as it is making an angle of x radians, okay, as it is making an angle of x radians. So you consider the here the one more angle from here to here. This point you consider as a, and this point you consider as a b. Okay, sorry. Let us take here the point a, and this is a point b, and this is a point c. Okay, so now here the angle BOC you consider as a y. So this ray OC is making an angle of what angle with the x-axis in an anti-clockwise direction? Can you tell me? This OC is making an angle of with OA. What angle it is making? From here to here. From here to here. What is the angle here? What is the measure of the angle? Anyone? Vidipta, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So the measure of this angle, what is the measure of this angle you are going to get? Here to here it is x.
180 plus 45.
No. From here to here I am asking. Here to here it is x, and here to here it is y. So the total from here to here what?
Sir, x plus y.
That's all. Simple. So the angle, so OC is making an angle of x plus y with the x-axis. X-axis से x plus y angle it is making. So then as it is making an angle of x plus y, then you can write the coordinates of the point C as a cos x plus y comma sin x plus y. If it is making OB is making an angle of x radians, then the coordinates are cos x cos y. OC is making an angle of x plus y, then the coordinates are x plus cos x plus y sin x plus y. So now in the same way, if you take in an anti-clockwise direction, the measure which is equals to the y, angle measure is equals to the y. As we are taking in an clockwise direction, then this angle will be represented with a minus y representation. So as this angle is equals to this angle, measure is equal. So then can you tell me this point, if you take this point as a D point, is taken as a D. So the coordinates of the D will be equals to cos of minus y So which can be cos of minus y is nothing but cos y. Cos of minus y, this is equals to cos of minus y
Cos
sin of,
y.
yes. So sin of minus y is minus sin y. So the coordinates of the D are the these are. So now if you observe that here, you join the points here, B to A and sorry, C to A and B to D. Join these 2 points. So then you are going to get the 2 triangles here. So what are the 2 triangles
Yes,
you are
sir.
going?
Sir,
O,
AOC and BOD.
yes, very good. Okay, let us write what you said here. Triangle AOC and triangle BOD. These 2 triangles, if you observe that, the 2 triangles are congruent. Why? Because angle
Yes,
AOC,
sir.
if you observe that, angle AOC, if you observe that, that is having the measure of y and as well as COD. Measure of y, COD. So this is the angle AOC. Angle AOC. Angle AOC, y plus this one. And angle BOD, whenever you take into consider, y plus COD. Both are equals to y plus COD. So they both are angles are equal. And this length is equals to this length because the radius. And here this length and this length are also equal. Both the lengths. So then you are going to say that by the SAS congruency, the 2 triangles are congruent. When these 2 triangles are congruent, you can say that the length of the BD is equals to, length of the BD is equals to AC. Isn't it? CPCT, corresponding
Yes,
parts
sir.
of
Corresponding
congruent.
part of congruent triangles.
Yes. So BD is equals to AC we'll get. So BD is nothing but length of the line segment BD. BD square is equals to AC square you are going to get. So BD square is nothing but BD square is nothing but under root of what is the distance between the 2 points formula?
Sir, under root of BO square plus.
No. Just I am asking what is the length of the BD. It's here.
Sir, BD.
Ah.
Sir, under root of BO square plus DO square.
No? How do you get?
No, sir, no, sir.
2 points whenever
It's not a right triangle.
x1 y1 is 1 point and x2 y2 is the another point. So the distance between the 2 points formula is what?
Sir,
Distance between
The root over x2 minus.
yes, sir.
ah.
We
Yes,
will
sir.
apply the distance formula.
Yes, sir, distance from.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, root over x2 minus x1 whole to the power
Whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square.
Once again, Malika.
So root over x2 minus x1 whole square minus plus y2 minus y1 whole square.
That's good. So root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here you can consider the points, whatever the points you are taking into consider. One point you consider here as a x1 y1. A cos x sin y को x1 y1 consider करो, and इसको x2 y2 consider करो, whatever it may be. You can consider any point as x1 y1, x2 y2. Then the point distance between the points, the distance between the 2 points formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus, please off the mic better. So y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. This is the formula, distance between the 2 points formula. This if you are applying here, so what do you get here? Cos of minus y minus cos x whole square for the BD plus sin of minus y minus sin x whole square. ये अंडर रूट होता है. This is what here I have written. It is BD, length of the BD. BD square you want. So this is BD square itself because you are going to have the under root. Isn't it? And in the same way, AC square if you want. The coordinates are cos x plus y, sin x plus y. And here the coordinates are 1, 0. So in the next page, I am going to write this one by simplifying. Okay, I am going to, it's not creating new sheet I am taking. So here, what is we are going to get here? I am going to draw the again that length here. This is a point B, and this is a point A, 1, 0. Okay, X. So the coordinates of the B are cos X, sin X. Okay, and Y angle we are taking into consider. This is a point C, and in a clockwise direction, if you take, this is minus Y. So the coordinates of the D are cos minus Y, comma, sin minus Y. Okay, and the coordinates of the C are cos X plus Y. So we need the point AC length. BD length already we have written. So here I am going to write that BD length. Cos of minus Y is nothing but cos Y. So cos Y minus cos Y minus cos X whole square plus, yes, minus sin Y minus sin X whole square. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yes. So this is equals to AC square. AC में क्या? What are the coordinates of the C? Cos X plus Y, sin X plus Y. So this is equals to cos X plus Y minus 1 whole square plus sin X plus Y minus 0 whole square you are going to get. Is it okay? So now I am expanding this one. Here if you are expanding, what do you get here? Cos square Y plus cos square X minus 2 cos X cos Y. Okay, and if you take the minus common, it is going to become the sin X plus sin Y. So sin X plus sin Y expansion is sin square X plus sin square Y plus 2 sin X sin Y. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Next expansion, what do you get here? In this expansion, you are going to get cos square X plus Y plus 1 square minus 2 cos X plus Y plus sin square X plus Y. And if you observe properly, cos square Y, sin square Y, you are having cos square Y and sin square Y. That value is equals to 1 plus cos square X and sin square X. That value also equals to 1. Okay, minus 2 cos X cos Y as it is I have written plus 2 sin X sin Y we have written as it is. Next is equals to, here right side, this is cos square X plus Y. Sorry, here cos square X plus Y. Here square will not be there. Cos square X plus Y, sin square X plus Y. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So that is equals to 1. Plus here also 1 square value 1. So minus 2 cos X plus Y. Okay. So here plus 2 is there and here plus 2 is there. And you take the minus 2 common here. So you are going to get cos X cos Y minus sin X sin Y, which is equals to minus 2 of cos X plus Y. So minus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. So we are going to get cos X plus Y is equals to cos X
Cos X cos X cos Y plus sin X sin Y.
Yes. So this can be easily understandable to you a little more clearly. Through this, I'm going to present to you. So through this, you are going to understand very clearly. So this, see this one. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Once
sir.
I say proof, here it is going to explain to you. So see this one, so that it will be fixed in your mind. So sum and difference of the two angles. Here the A point is taken, B point and C point and D point. So the angle AOB is equals to, the measure is X, and angle BOC is equals to Y, and measure of angle AOD is Y, but we are taking in a clockwise direction, but representation is minus Y. That's all. The measure is equal. Okay, so if the OP is a ray which makes with the positive x-axis x radians, the coordinates of the point A comma B are equals to cos x comma cos y, isn't it? Okay, so now cos of minus x is equals to cos x, you know that, and sin of minus x is equals to minus sin x. So these are the things required to you to know to do this proof. So the coordinates of the A 1 comma y, the radius of the circle is, and coordinates of the B cos x cos y, because it is making an angle of x radians with the x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Same way C, if you are taking, most of you will get confused. C cos y sin y लिखता है. The students will write it is as a cos y sin y. Okay, so cos y sin y should not be written, because OC is making an angle of what angle it is making with the OA. OA say what angle it is making, that you need to see. It is making an angle of x plus y. From the here to here, what is the angle it is making, that you have to see. Did you get my point? So that's why the coordinates of the C are cos x plus y comma sin x plus y. Cos x plus y comma sin x plus y. So in the same way, if you see that the coordinates of the D, cos of minus y comma sin of minus y. Okay. So cos of minus y is equals to cos y, and sin of minus y is equals to minus sin y. Is it okay? If you take the triangle AOC and the triangle BOD, their OB, in the BOD may OB, in the AOC may OC are equal. In the BOD, OD and OA are equal. And also angle BOD is equals to angle Y plus COD, that is equals to AOC. Here most of the students will commit the one small mistake, that sir, that angle AOD is equals to minus Y na. Suppose if you consider COD as a some Z minus Y होता है, ये Z plus Y होता है. No, the representation we give as a minus with a minus, but the measure of the angle will be, both are equal. Okay, so that when you take into the triangle into the consideration, so triangle BOD and triangle AOC are congruent triangle by the SAS congruency, so that we will get BD is equals to AC, both are equal. So that BD square is equals to AC square, we will get BD square is equals to AC square. Okay, so that is nothing but BD square value. Here little bit in a faster way, here it is given to you. BD square can be written as cos x minus cos y whole square, and here can you tell me the BD square whenever it is taken as a cos x minus cos y whole square and sin x minus sin y whole, sin x plus sin y, which one is taken as a x1 y1 and x2 y2?
Sir, are you presenting the screen, sir?
Oh, चला गया ये.
It
Sir,
is not
screen
showing,
off हो
sir.
गया.
Oh, wait, signal चला गया. I lost the signal, I think so. That's why. Now is it audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible, sir.
Okay.
Sir, are you sharing the screen or showing some slides, sir? Oh, yeah.
Now you got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
So here BD square is equals to same cos x minus cos y. Little bit easily you will understand. That's why I'm showing to you this one. The distance between the 2 points formula, already you said that. Very good, good response from you. I got x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So on applying that formula, you got these points: cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. So on expanding this, you are going to get cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 a plus a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square expansion. Then right side also same way, cos square x plus y minus 2 cos x plus y plus 1 plus sin square x plus y. And here cos square x plus sin square x is equals to 1 and cos square y plus sin square y is equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos x y. Yes. So directly here it is taken. That simplification is not given to you. Simplification, I think so, while explaining, you understood here. And minus 2 get cancelled means you are going to get cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is a way to prove this one. So with the help of this only, cos x minus y also you can extract. Okay. Cos x plus y is over. In the place of x, you replace with the minus. Cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. And you replace the x y by the minus y. Cos x minus y you are going to get. So how do you get? Let us see the proof here. Proof B. Okay. So y should be replaced by the minus y. Right side mein dekho. And you replace right hand side. So what do you get? Cos x cos of minus y minus sin x sin of minus y. So cos of minus y is, can you tell me cos of minus y?
Sir, cos y.
Plus cos y. Very good. Sin of minus y?
Sir, negative sin y.
Sir, negative sin y.
Sir,
Yes.
negative sin y.
Yes. Very good. So you are going to get it as a cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So do remember that cos x plus y whenever you are having, minus will be there. Cos x minus y whenever you are having, plus will be there. Okay. So with the help of that only, cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to sin x. So that also just replacing with the x by the pi by 2 and y by the x in the formula of cos x minus y. You are going to get it. Cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay. Just replacing only. It is very easy to use. Next, sin pi by 2 minus x is equals to cos x you are going to get. But pi by 2 minus x, you can do in different ways.
Yes, sir. Sin pi by 2 cos x minus cos pi by 2 sin x.
Yes. Very good. Sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So
Yes, sir.
ये नया है, ये this one you have to remember. Okay. So sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So how do you prove this one? Let us see here. Cos sin x plus y is equals to, can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. If you observe properly here, this is cos pi by 2 minus x. Cos pi by 2 minus x equal to sin x is the third one you see. There already it is given that cos pi by 2 minus x. X place में x plus y substitute करो. You are going to get this one only na. Right answer whatever it is given. Isn't it? ये समझ में आया ना? थर्ड फॉर्मूला में x प्लेस में x plus y ले लो. So what do you get? Sin x plus y is equals to cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. So cos, that one you write pi by 2 minus x minus y. Cos pi by 2 minus x. So now pi by 2 minus x completely you consider as a one x. Pi by 2 minus x को x मान लो. what do you get? Cos x minus y. वो bracket में है ना, that you consider as a x. So x minus y you are going. So cos x minus y formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. That is applied here. Cos x place में pi by 2 minus x and y place में y plus sin x sin y. So cos pi by 2 minus x already proved as a sin x. So replaced by the sin x, and sin pi by 2 minus x is replaced by the cos x. So you are going to get sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So in the same way, y replaced by the minus y, you are going to get sin x minus y. ये तो प्रूव कर सकते हैं. This is it is not necessary to you to explain this one. Cos pi by 2 plus x दिया है. Cos pi by 2 minus x sin x, you know, x place में minus x replace करो, you are going to get cos pi by 2 plus x is equals to minus sin x, and sin pi by 2 plus x is equals to cos x. Just replacing x by the minus x you are going to get. So like that, similarly these proofs also you can do. Just pi place में pi by 2 plus x लिखना है. So with the help of that you are going to get all this, and this table whatever it is showing to you, you can remember in another way also. Okay, so what is another way? Whenever you are taking an angle of pi by 2 minus x, okay, I will show it to you. बार clue. Okay, so here simply I'm going to explain to you in a little bit in another way to remember all these. Normally proof कर सकते हैं, but to remember all this you can do in another way also. So I'm going to share the screen and explain to you. So that part also, please try to get some time here. Left हो गया. Is the whiteboard is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here
Yes, sir.
take into consider, you know that the angles which are present in the first quadrant will be in the form of pi by 2 minus x, because here to here the angle is pi by 2. Okay, so this pi by 2 minus x, and here you are going to have the pi by 2 plus x, and here to here the angle measure is how much?
Sir, pi.
That is pi. So therefore it is pi minus x you are going to have, and this is pi plus x, and here to here the measure is how much?
Sir, 3 pi by 2.
That is 3 pi. So 3 pi by 2 से less है. So in the 3 pi by 2 minus x. In the fourth quadrant, in the same way, 3 pi by 2 plus x and 2 pi minus x. And here 2 pi plus x. So this is first quadrant. You know that this is second quadrant, and this is third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. So you know that in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosec is positive. In the third quadrant, tan and its reciprocal cot are positive, remaining all are negative. In the second quadrant, sine and cosec. In the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive, remaining all are negative. Now if you take here anyone, if you want to say here previously whatever I have showed you, that table easily you can draw. It's not a very difficult to you. Normally prove karna, how do you prove means that proof you can do it. Proof to aisa karna hai. Suppose pi, if you want to prove that sin pi minus x. So what you have to do? This you have to write as a sin pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x. Because pi can be written as pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Out here now sin pi by 2 plus x you are getting. Sin pi by 2 plus x is equals to cos x. Already we have proved, but in the place of x you are having pi by 2 minus x. Now cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to sin x, we have proved. So sin pi minus x is equals to sin x you are going to get. But this is a way of proving actually. But how do we remember this one? Means the simple thing is that whenever you are taking, you are having pi and 2 pi combination, either pi plus x or 2 pi plus x. 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x. With any trigonometric ratio, if it is given, same as it is you are going to get. And you have to see that that angle is present in the which quadrant. Suppose as an example I am saying to you, I am asking to you sin 2 pi plus x. 2 pi plus x is in which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant mein all are positive. All are positive. So plus you are going to get. As you are having 2 pi, sin as it is you are going to get sin x. Suppose if you are taking into consider this one, not another one again. Sin pi plus x I am asking. Sin pi plus x. Okay. So pi plus x is in which quadrant? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Third
So
quadrant.
third
Third
quadrant.
Third quadrant में sin क्या होगा?
Negative.
Sir, negative.
So as you are having here pi, same as it is sin x you are going to have. If you have here pi or pi, same as it is you are going to get. So this is the one thing. And if you are having pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, then sin is going to change to the cos is going to change. This is just to remember. I'm going to easy to way to remember. Original proof is in the what way, like this you have to prove it. Even 2 pi minus x if you want to do, before that all you have to remember. Okay. And here tan will be changed to cot will be changed to tan, and secant will be changed to cosec. Do remember that not reciprocals here. Sin का reciprocal cosec होता है ना, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग क्या confuse होके they'll write that sin whenever it is given to sin pi by 2. Suppose as an example let us take, I am giving to you sin 3 pi by 2 minus x. So 3 pi first क्या करना है, 3 pi by 2 किधर है, किधर है, in which quadrant? 3 pi by 2 is in which quadrant?
So third quadrant.
में sin क्या होगा?
So third quadrant.
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन क्या होगा?
Negative.
नेगेटिव. सो ये नेगेटिव आ जाएगा, बस नेगेटिव लिखना है. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव विल डिसाइडेड लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट साइन 3 pi by 2 is there. Okay, 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 whenever you are having, I already told this one you have to remember. Sin will be changed to cos x लिखना है. That's all. This is the thing. Sin 3 pi by 2 is equals to minus cos x. And if you prove also, you are going to get in the same way. Proof if you are taking not only sin and cos here, even if you want to go for the tan, if I given to you tan 3 pi by 2 minus x, 3 pi by 2 minus x is in third quadrant. Third quadrant में tan positive होता है, therefore it is positive. Tan 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 है, 3 pi by 2 whenever you are having, tan will be changed to cot. So what do you get here? You are going to get the cot x. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
I will ask one or two questions to you. For that, you need to give the answer now. Can you give?
Okay, sir.
Tan 2 pi minus x is equals to? Tan 2 pi minus x is equals to?
So minus cot.
Yes, sir.
Minus cot x.
Yes, sir.
Minus?
Minus 10x.
Not
Minus-
cot x. Whenever
Minus 10x.
here,
So second quadrant में आता है वो.
हाँ ना किधर आते हैं? Second quadrant. 2 pi minus x. It is.
Oh, sorry. Sir, आपने क्या बोला था? Pi by 2 minus x.
उधर लिखा tan 2 pi minus x I asked you.
Tan 2 pi minus x. हाँ, second quadrant में आता है. Yes,
Second
sir.
में.
So fourth quadrant.
Sorry, fourth quadrant, sir.
फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा.
सर मैं सोच रहा हूँ फोर्थ और मुंह से सेकंड निकल रहा है बाहर.
Okay. Sometimes it happens. Doesn't matter. So tan 2 pi minus. So 2 pi whenever you are having or pi whenever you are having here, as it is you are going to get. Here in the place of 2, in this place if you are having pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, then you are going to, it is going to change like this. These changes will occur when you are having pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 दे दिया तो वो change occur. Now I am going to ask you one more question to you. Cosec pi by 2. Biprajit, please off the mic. When you are saying, you open the mic. Okay, tell me what you are going to get cosec pi by 2 minus x.
So cosec pi by 2 minus x.
So minus
So
cosec
cos x.
x.
So
Wait.
cos x.
Biprajit, you
So
wait.
it's plus cosec x.
Pi
Yes
by
sir.
2 minus x is nothing but first quadrant. Can you explain
फर्स्ट
it?
क्वाड्रेंट में सब पॉजिटिव होता है सर.
Very good. Biprajit, give the chance to the Pralay also. Pralay, tell me.
हाँ सर वही बात है. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में सब पॉजिटिव होता है.
नेक्स्ट ये क्या होगा? प्लस प्लस क्या आएगा बोलो.
सर मैं बोलूं.
हाँ सर प्लस cosec x.
प्लस कोसेक एक्स आएगा.
हाँ सर. हाँ.
अदर्स इज इट राइट? कोसेक एक्स ही आएगा. लिख मी. वेट विप्रजित देवयान एंड विप्रजित वेट. लिख मी यू से. Is it audible to you? Lick me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me. What do you get? Vidipta, you say. Vidipta, can you hear me? Can you hear me or not? At first you said this answer. Can you hear me or not? Okay, any one of you. Why to waste the time here?
So secant x.
Huh?
So secant x. Secant.
You are going to get. Because as you are having pi by 2, Pralay, सुनो बेटा, when you are having pi by 2 है तो उस टाइम पे pi by 2 secant will changes to the cosec will changes to the secant will changes to the cosec will changes to the secant. So this thing you have to remember.
Yes sir.
So that is you are forgetting that only positive or negative you are seeing. When you are having here pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, it is changes. When you are having pi and 3 pi, it does not change. Okay? Shall I ask one more question to you?
Yes sir.
Secant pi by 2 plus x. Secant pi by 2 plus x. First what to do?
सर नेगेटिव.
सर
सर
माइनस
नेगेटिव आएगा.
माइनस होगा.
सर माइनस
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में.
थर्ड में pi by 2 plus x.
सेकंड पे सर.
सर नेगेटिव
second quadrant में सर.
सेकंड. हाँ सेकंड.
Negative?
सर 10x.
secant x.
सॉरी
सर
cosec.
10 नहीं आएगा. हाँ.
क्या आएगा?
सर cos आएगा.
cos x.
अरे उधर देखो ना बेटा. Why you are getting confused with that? Very simple. Secant changes to cosec. Arrow mark लिखा है ना इधर. Secant changes to the cosec changes to the secant. Here secant दे दिया. So what you will get?
सर cosec x.
That's all. You know that, but you are getting confused. कंफ्यूज होने का कुछ बात नहीं है, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस कर ले तो हो जाएगा. वंस अगेन आई एक्सप्लेन. काट पाई बाय 2 प्लस एक्स. काट पाई बाय 2 प्लस एक्स.
Yes, sir.
वाह, यस क्या है? व्हाट डू यू गेट आंसर?
सर प्लस 10x.
प्लस
Sir, आपने cot pi by
10x.
2 लिखा है क्या?
ना काट पाई प्लस एक्स. सॉरी, आई एम सेइंग पाई बाय 2. एम आई सेइंग पाई बाय 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Cos काट पाई प्लस एक्स. इट इज विजिबल ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
टेल मी व्हाट डू यू गेट?
Sir 10x.
10x, sir.
tan x आएगा.
Yes, sir.
tan x आएगा.
हाँ,
अरे
हाँ, sir.
यार,
कोड तो 10 में चेंज होता है.
अरे हर बार चेंज
और
नहीं
सर
होता.
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में चेंज नहीं होगा सर.
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट देखो मत, इधर ये एंगल देखो, ये क्या है? पाई
180 डिग्री.
180 डिग्री. पाई 2 पाई में चेंज नहीं होता है. प्लीज ट्राई टू रिमेंबर एंड डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज हियर.
हाँ.
अदरवाइज पाई 2 पाई में चेंज नहीं होता है. पाई बाय 2 3 पाई बाय 2 में चेंज होता है. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट क्या करना है, ये पाई बाय पाई प्लस एक्स इज वेयर इट इज इन विच क्वाड्रेंट यू हैव टू सी. क्वाड्रेंट क्या है? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट.
थर्ड.
क्वाड्रेंट में काट है पॉजिटिव, सो पॉजिटिव. ओनली पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव डिसाइड करने के लिए क्वाड्रेंट देखना है. देन आफ्टर व्हाट टू सी, हियर पाई बाय 2 इज देयर आर पाई 2 पाई whenever you are having multiples of pi if you are having, then as it is angle as it is you are going to get as it is. So काट हो ले तो काट होएगा, tan होता tan, sin है तो sin आएगा. So we are going to get here cot x, not tan. When change कब होगा? If you are having in this place pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. ये these changes will occur whenever you are having pi by 2 3 pi by 2 only. अब समझ में आया होगा. I'll ask the one more question to you. Until and unless you understand, then I don't leave you, because this is basic thing. Even it is useful to you in your chemistry, physics also. As a mathematics students, everywhere you need to learn. By observation itself you need to say. ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करके अब इमीडिएटली बोलने के लिए, ये एक्चुअली प्रूव करना है तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. बट यू शुड बी रेडी टू से लाइक दिस. This is the best way of easy way to remember all these. Did you
Yes,
get my
sir.
point?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we are having pi or multiple of 5, then there will be no change. And if we are having pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2, then there will be change.
There is a change. चेंज कैसे होगा? वो भी साइन कोसेक को चेंज नहीं होगा. साइन कास का होगा, कास साइन में होगा. टैन काट में होगा, काट टैन में होगा. सीकेंड कोसेक में होगा, कोसेक सीकेंड में होगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई केप्ट हियर बोथ साइड एरो मार्क ना. वो
Yes,
उधर जाएगा,
yeah.
इधर जाएगा. अब आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क द वन मोर क्वेश्चन टू यू. Secant 2 pi plus x. Who will say? अभिषेक. विप्रजित रुको, हर बार विप्रजित इस बात कर रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
अभिषेक, you tell me.
Sir, sec x, secant x
Yes.
plus secant x.
Can you explain?
Yes,
इसको
sir.
explain.
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, it is in the first quadrant.
Yeah.
And yes, and then we know that 2 pi, if pi and multiple of pi is there, then there will be no change, as you said, sir, before, clearly, sir. So that's
बस इधर प्लस आया.
Yes, sir.
हो
हो
गया.
गया.
हो गया. अब दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखो, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कर. ये मैंने बोल दिया है ना. आज बोलने के बाद आप क्या करना है ना, आफ्टर दैट immediately after the class you have to make a table, what I shown to you previously in the picture I have shown to you na, this one. pi by 2 minus x, wait, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 plus x, pi minus x, pi plus x, 3 pi by 2 minus x, 3 pi by 2 plus x, 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x, and 2 pi plus x. Either sine, either cos, tan, cot, secant, cosec. This is your homework. ये सारा आप लोग everyone have to write this one as a table बना के, ये कैसे अभी सेम लॉजिक अप्लाई करना है. इन व्हाट वे आई हैव शोन. समवेयर एल्स यू आर नॉट सपोज टू कॉपी नहीं करना है, किधर भी देख के कॉपी नहीं करना है. सो प्लीज डू इट योरसेल्फ. ये टेबल बना के, दिस इज योर होमवर्क टुडे. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस होमवर्क एंड सबमिट इन योर गूगल क्लासरूम.
सर मतलब वैल्यूज लिख के देना है?
हाँ, वैल्यूज नहीं, फंक्शन है ये, वैल्यू नहीं है वो, इसका फंक्शन.
हाँ सर, वही टेबल में फिलअप करके देना है.
Can you tell me
टेबल
now?
लिख के.
At least randomly I am going to ask you some question. Here I am going to ask you. एक मार्क कर दिया, उसका आंसर बोलेगा. Let us see. Without table.
सर cos pi by सर cos pi plus x का.
हाँ, cos pi plus x.
थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट आएगा माइनस cos चेंज होगा sin में माइनस sin x
माइनस cos x
minus
cos माइनस sin x.
minus cos x.
सर चेंज नहीं हुआ इस बार. पाई
सर,
बाय 2
minus
नहीं तो 3 पाई बाय 2 नहीं है.
हाँ, चेंज नहीं होगा,
Yes.
माइनस होगा. That is okay.
बट
इधर
cos
माइनस
रहेगा.
होगा, but cos ही
थर्ड
रहेगा.
क्वाड्रेंट में है.
और one more thing I will ask. ये वाला पूछ लो, एक डॉट मार्क लगा रहा हूँ. This one. Tell me.
सर secant x.
Huh? 3 pi by 2 plus x. In which quadrant? Fourth में cos and secant cosec are cos and secant are positive.
Yes, sir. Positive secant x.
Fourth 3 pi by 2 plus x which quadrant? Fourth quadrant में cos positive, secant positive. I am asking cosec, so negative होगा. Negative होगा. वो 3 pi by 2 है, so cosec will change us to
माइनस secant x.
minus secant x आंसर. अब ये आंसर बोलो.
सर cos pi by 2 plus x वाला.
सर 10x.
प्लस और माइनस?
माइनस 10x सर.
Minus tan x, right?
Yes sir.
Minus tan x. Okay. This one. Last corner में, right corner में.
x sin x.
Sin x, very good. Plus sin x. Okay, here tan 3 pi by 2 plus x.
सर माइनस cot x.
Minus cot x. मजा आया ना क्लास?
यस सर.
समझ में आया अभी?
यस सर.
ये अभी immediately as the class complete, if you are not having any other class, then have a lunch and immediately do this work, so that only you will be able to remember. आज बाद में करेंगे बोल के तो भूल जाते हैं. And whenever you get a free time, any rough page दिख गया आपको, मैं बोला है ना, पहले ही भी बोला है, हम लोग क्या करते थे, कुछ भी फॉर्मूला होता है तो पॉम्पलेट्स होता है, तो हम लोग स्कूल के बाहर निकलने के बाद पॉम्पलेट्स होते हैं, तो वो पॉम्पलेट लेके उसमें फार्मूलास भर के पूरा प्रैक्टिस करके जस्ट फेंक देते. खाली पेज किधर भी नहीं छोड़ता. लाइक दिस, ये आज बोला है ना, लगभग 100 times we have written, I think so, this one. Then please off the Praloy. So like that, today you have to write, and whenever you get a free time, अरे ये लिखना है, so that you are going to be perfect, because these are the things which are very very essential to you in your future. Okay, समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is a thing now we are having. So with the help of this, you complete this work, and next we are going to have the tan x plus y proof, cot tan x plus y, tan x minus y, cot x plus y, cot x minus y. That proofs we are going to learn in the next class. Okay, and we'll ask the suggestions from our sir, respected principal sir. Hello, off the mic.
I think, sir, networking issue maybe.
Maybe. Okay, still if you are having any doubt, you can ask in the today's class. ये तो समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
अभी ये प्रूव करना कैसे भी थोड़ा सा वो भी देखना है. Everywhere it's a lengthy process. If you see, if you know this column, ये page first one, with the help of the second one you can do it. With the help of these two, third one you can do. Proof करते समय, when you are proving that. Proof कैसे करना इधर दिखाया ना एक example, ये one example है. This is a one example. Sir, 2 pi if it is given, how do you prove? If you want to prove, वो प्रूव भी करना है, आप ये करके छोड़ना नहीं है. सर ये तो आया है tan 3 pi by 2 plus x equal to cot x आया है. After the class, anyone you try tan 3 pi by 2 plus x is equals to cot x, prove करके try करो. How can we prove this one? You try. ये प्रूव करना है तो आपको पक्का ये सारा चाहिए. सारा बोले तो ये वाला पहले वाला कॉलम्स, tan pi by 2 minus x क्या है, tan pi by 2 plus x क्या है. With the help of these two, this you are going to get. With the help of these two, this you are going to get. Some things will be useful to you. So one is interlinked with the other. But ये याद रखने के लिए this is a best procedure to you. Okay, and immediately you try to complete it. I'll give the assignment as an assignment to you in your Google Classroom. Please submit this as a one photo खींच के दे दीजिए. No need of PDF. Okay, just you click the one photo and after writing that and submit it. I'm going to give it to you as an assignment.
Okay, sir.
Okay, as a today's homework बोल के देता हूँ मैं, that you write.